The James Webb Space Telescope, the future of scientific research in the silent, infinite expanse of space, a powerful eye peers into the unknown, seeking answers to some of the universe's deepest mysteries. This is the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's most ambitious and advanced observatory. But who was the man behind the name? This is the story of James Edwin Webb, a visionary leader whose legacy continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos. James Edwin Webb was born on October 7, 1906, in Tally Ho, North Carolina. From an early age, Webb displayed a keen interest in science and a natural aptitude for leadership. Raised in a modest family, Webb's early experiences in rural North Carolina instilled in him a strong work ethic and a passion for learning. After graduating from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill with a degree in education, Webb's journey took a significant turn when he joined the United States Marine Corps. As a Marine pilot, Webb honed skills that would later prove invaluable in his career, particularly his ability to remain calm under pressure and his keen sense of strategic thinking. Webb's career in the federal government began in earnest when he joined the Bureau of the Budget. His administrative talents quickly became apparent, and he soon found himself working closely with prominent political figures, including Congressman Edward W. Poe. Webb's reputation as a skilled administrator and strategic thinker was cemented during these formative years. His ability to navigate the complex landscape of government bureaucracy and his talent for effective management made him an invaluable asset. In 1961, amid the fervor of the space race, President John F. Kennedy appointed James Webb as the second administrator of NASA. It was a period of intense competition and monumental ambition, with the United States determined to land a man on the moon. Under Webb's leadership, NASA flourished. He was not just focused on the immediate goal of reaching the moon but also on building a sustainable and robust space program. Webb championed a balanced approach, ensuring that scientific research received as much attention as manned missions. James Webb was a visionary. He understood that the success of NASA depended on both exploring space and expanding our scientific knowledge. His support for scientific missions alongside human spaceflight laid the groundwork for many of NASA's future achievements. Webb's tenure saw the launch of numerous scientific satellites and unmanned missions that expanded our understanding of the universe. He believed in the power of science to unlock the secrets of the cosmos and was instrumental in fostering a culture of scientific inquiry at NASA. James Webb's contributions to space science were immense. He advocated for missions that not only demonstrated technological prowess but also advanced our knowledge of space phenomena. From early planetary probes to Earth observation satellites, Webb's influence can be seen in many of NASA's most significant scientific endeavors. His dedication to both exploration and science helped establish NASA as a world leader in space research. Despite his remarkable achievements, James Webb's legacy is not without controversy. Before joining NASA, Webb was involved in discussions that contributed to the federal government's Lavender Scare, a campaign to purge LGBTQ+ individuals from government service. During his time as NASA administrator, a budget analyst was fired after being subjected to a lengthy interrogation about alleged immoral conduct. The Lavender Scare was a dark period in American history, and Webb's involvement in it has led to significant debate about his legacy. While his actions at NASA were groundbreaking, these actions have cast a shadow over his accomplishments. In 2002, NASA announced that the next-generation space telescope would be renamed the James Webb Space Telescope, in honor of Webb's contributions to the agency. However, this decision has sparked controversy within the scientific community. Traditionally, NASA has named its telescopes after scientists who made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. Naming the telescope after an administrator, especially one with a controversial legacy, has been a contentious issue. Many astronomers and scientists continue to debate the appropriateness of the name. Some have suggested alternative names that retain the same acronym, while others believe that Webb's contributions to NASA justify the honor. James Webb played a crucial role in shaping NASA during its formative years. While the controversy cannot be ignored, his impact on space exploration is profound. James Webb's legacy is a complex tapestry of groundbreaking achievements and ethical debates. As the James Webb Space Telescope gazes into the farthest reaches of the universe, it carries with it the story of a man who helped shape our journey to the stars. His vision, leadership, and dedication to science have left an indelible mark on space exploration. James Webb's name will forever be associated with one of humanity's greatest tools for understanding the cosmos. His legacy, like the universe itself, is vast and multifaceted, inviting us to explore and question, to admire and to reflect. As we delve deeper into Webb's life, we uncover more layers of his complex character. Webb was known for his ability to unite people under a common goal. He was a master of diplomacy, often mediating between scientists, engineers, and politicians to ensure that NASA's objectives were met. His tenure was not just about sending humans to the moon but also about building a cohesive and forward-thinking organization. Webb's leadership style was characterized by his inclusiveness and his ability to inspire those around him. He was known for his open-door policy, encouraging NASA employees at all levels to voice their ideas and concerns. This approach fostered a sense of community and shared purpose within NASA, which was crucial for the success of the Apollo program and other missions. One of Webb's significant contributions was his support for the development of the space sciences. He understood that for NASA to succeed, it needed a strong scientific foundation. Under his leadership, NASA launched the orbiting Solar Observatory, the first in a series of satellites designed to study the Sun. These missions provided valuable data that enhanced our understanding of solar physics and its impact on Earth. Webb also championed the development of the Lunar Orbiter and Surveyor programs, which paved the way for the Apollo missions. These robotic missions mapped the lunar surface and tested landing techniques, providing critical information that ensured the success of the manned moon landings. Despite the pressures of the space race, Webb maintained a long-term vision for NASA. He recognized that the agency's success depended not just on immediate achievements but also on building a foundation for future exploration. This vision included a commitment to scientific research, technological innovation, and international collaboration. Webb's ability to navigate the political landscape was another key factor in his success. He worked closely with Congress to secure funding for NASA, often testifying before committees and advocating for the agency's goals. His efforts ensured that NASA had the resources it needed to achieve its ambitious objectives. However, Webb's tenure was not without its challenges. The tragic Apollo 1 fire in 1967, which claimed the lives of 3 astronauts, was a significant setback for NASA. Webb's leadership during this crisis was instrumental in guiding the agency through a difficult period. He initiated a thorough investigation into the accident, implemented safety improvements, and ensured that NASA remained focused on its goal of landing a man on the moon. The legacy of James Webb is also reflected in the culture he helped cultivate at NASA. His emphasis on rigorous scientific inquiry, teamwork, and a relentless pursuit of excellence set the standard for the agency's operations. These principles continue to guide NASA's missions today. As we look to the future, the James Webb Space Telescope stands as a testament to Webb's enduring impact. This powerful observatory is designed to explore the universe's earliest galaxies, study the formation of stars and planetary systems, and seek answers to fundamental questions about our existence. It embodies Webb's vision of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and exploration. The controversy surrounding Webb's involvement in the Lavender Scare and his actions during his tenure at NASA cannot be overlooked. It serves as a reminder that history is often complex and multifaceted. Webb's contributions to space exploration are significant, but they exist alongside actions that have sparked ethical debates. In the end, the story of James Webb is a reminder of the power of vision, leadership, and the human spirit's capacity for discovery. His name, etched into one of the most advanced telescopes ever built, symbolizes humanity's quest to understand the universe and our place within it. As the James Webb Space Telescope peers into the farthest reaches of the cosmos, it carries with it the legacy of a man who dared to dream big and work tirelessly to turn those dreams into reality. Webb's tenure at NASA wasn't just about technical achievements, it was also about fostering an environment where innovation could thrive. He believed in investing in the people behind the technology. Under his leadership, NASA attracted some of the brightest minds of the era, from engineers to scientists, who were driven by a shared vision of pushing the frontiers of human knowledge. One of Webb's notable accomplishments was his ability to secure political and public support for NASA's missions. During the 1960s, the Apollo program faced significant challenges, including budget constraints and public skepticism. Webb's ability to articulate the importance of space exploration in advancing human knowledge and national prestige was crucial in securing the necessary funding and support from Congress and the American public. Webb was also a strong advocate for international cooperation in space. He believed that the exploration of space was a global endeavor and sought to foster collaborations with other countries. This vision laid the groundwork for future international partnerships in space exploration, including the International Space Station. His commitment to scientific excellence and exploration extended beyond his tenure at NASA. After stepping down as administrator in 1968, Webb continued to be an influential figure in the world of science and public policy. He served on various advisory boards and continued to advocate for the importance of science and technology in addressing global challenges. The James Webb Space Telescope, often referred to as the JWST, is a fitting tribute to Webb's legacy. This observatory, with its advanced technology and ambitious goals, embodies the spirit of exploration and discovery that Webb championed. The JWST is designed to be the premier observatory of the next decade, serving thousands of astronomers worldwide. It will study every phase in the history of our universe, from the first luminous glows after the Big Bang, to the formation of solar systems capable of supporting life on planets like Earth, to the evolution of our own solar system. The JWST's capabilities are groundbreaking. Its large, segmented mirror will allow it to capture faint light from distant galaxies, while its suite of scientific instruments will enable it to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, the formation of stars, and the mysterious phenomena of dark matter and dark energy. The data gathered by the JWST will not only advance our understanding of the universe but also inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. James Webb's story is a testament to the impact that visionary leadership can have on the course of history. His contributions to space exploration have left an indelible mark, and his legacy continues to inspire. As we continue to explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of human knowledge, we carry forward the spirit of discovery that James Webb so passionately championed. What do you think about the legacy of James Webb? Should the telescope bear his name? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to join us for more deep dives into the history of space exploration.